of Time by Gene Daniel. I could have told you that long ago love was sweet. It was pure, and pure is always good. I could have told you that long ago life was simple. It was easy, and easy as always. Laughter. We laughed and cried and walked in the rain. We thought and had time to care about butterflies, ladybugs, and all of God's creatures. I could have told you that time goes by swiftly. It always flies, and flying is sad. Where are all the days, the daisies, the daffodils? I've lost them somewhere on the hillside, in the rain, in the rush of days, in the whirl of time. Oh dear God, why are there no instant replays in life?